Use the substitute function when you want to replace text based on its content, not position. The substitute function in Excel replaces one or more instances of a given text string with the specified characters. The syntax of the Excel substitute function is as follows. The first argument, text. The text or the reference to a cell containing text for which you want to substitute characters. Second argument, old text, the text you want to replace. Third argument, new text, the text you want to replace old text with. The fourth argument, instance num, this is optional, specifies which occurrence of old text you want to replace with new text. If you specify instance num, only that instance of old text is replaced. Otherwise, every occurrence of old text in text is replaced to new text. For example, this formula replaces the letter F in fame to N, and this formula replaces an in A3 to the. Substitute is case sensitive. For example, the P in A4 is in uppercase, but the function is using lowercase p and so it is not replaced. Optionally, you can specify the instance of the old text you want to replace. For example, all these formulas substitute 1 with 2 but return different results depending on instance num. This formula replaces all instances of 1 with 2 as the instance num is omitted. Now give the instance num as 1 and the first instance of 1 is replaced. Now give the instance num as 2 and the second instance of 1 is replaced. You can nest several substitute functions within a single formula to replace multiple characters with a single formula. For example, you have a text string P1, C1, S1 in cell A9 where P stands for product, C stands for color, and S stands for size. To replace the three codes with full names, you can write three different substitute formulas and then nest them into each other. Pass the first substitute as text to the second substitute and second to the third. You can see that P, C, and S have been replaced with product, color, and size. To remove one or more unwanted characters, enter an empty string as new text. To remove the dash from phone number in A14, use the formula. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.